Today, I want to shine a light on something small but incredibly important. It's called the Redux hearing aid drying machine. Whether you wear hearing aids yourself or if you care for someone who does, this is a tool that I think more people should absolutely know about. And here's why. We live in Missouri, one of the most humid areas of the country. Missouri can hit 100% humidity with no rain, just like this week. Hearing devices are just like any other mechanical engine. They don't mix well with water or moisture. Moisture is one of the biggest and most overlooked enemies of hearing aids. Between humidity, sweat, even an accidental splash of water from a pool or a river, your hearing devices face moisture almost every day. While hearing aids today are more water resistant than ever before, moisture still finds its way in. And over time, this can gently impact the performance and sound quality, even the lifespan of hearing devices. That's exactly where Redux comes in. Redux isn't just another drying box. It's a professional grade moisture removal system. It's specifically designed for delicate technology like hearing aids and cochlear implants. But what really impresses me about Redux is how it works. It uses a vacuum chamber to lower the air pressure, which allows moisture to evaporate at a lower, safer temperature. That means it can remove moisture thoroughly without any risk of any heat damage. And it works fast. It's usually within a few minutes. It can remove moisture down to the microgram. We can even measure this. We can tell you how much moisture was removed. There are amounts of moisture so tiny we wouldn't even notice them, but it's small enough to cause some real problems inside our devices. So why does this matter to me? Well, it matters because I know how much you rely on your hearing technology to stay connected. You count on it for conversations with your loved ones and for staying connected to those that matter the most to you. Managing moisture properly also means fewer repairs, a clearer sound, and devices that will even last longer. That's a peace of mind that I believe we can all agree on. Today, I just wanted to share this with you. Sometimes it's the small tools that protect the bigger things in life. For me, Redux represents a little extra care that leads to better hearing, clearer sound, and a more confident connection to the world around you. The great news, I have a little added bonus. We also have a box for your iPhone and for your earpods. All of your electrical devices we can dry and clean safely right inside our office. If you found this information helpful, I'd love for you to share it with someone who you think might benefit from it. And for more information, go to hearingcarepartners.com, where we listen so you can hear.